Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Python on your computer. Python is a popular programming language used in various fields such as web development, data science, and machine learning. In this video, we'll go over the steps to download and install Python on your machine. The first step is to go to the official Python website, which is python.org. Once you're on the website, click on the Downloads tab and select the version of Python you want to install. For this tutorial, we'll download Python March 10th 11. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the installation wizard. In the first screen, you'll see the installation option. Check Add Python exe to Path option and click on Install Now. The installation process will now begin. This may take a few minutes depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a screen confirming that Python has been successfully installed. You can click Close to exit the installer. That's it. Python is now installed on your computer. To verify the installation, you can open a command prompt or terminal and type Python version. This should display the version of Python you just installed. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python on your computer. Now you can follow our next tutorials to learn and start working with Python. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy coding!